Hi, in this video we'll learn how to solve an equation and find the value of the unknown variable. And in this equation, the unknown variable is x and we need to find the value of x. So first of all, we need to remove the parentheses. To get rid of the parentheses, we can just distribute 4 across x minus 2. So let's solve this first. So I'm going to write 3x minus 2 as it is equal to, we just need to distribute, use the distributive property to distribute 4 inside the parentheses. So 4 times x, first of all, we're going to multiply 4 with x, and then we're going to multiply 4 with negative 2. So 4 times x gives me 4x, and then 4 times negative 2 is going to give me negative 8. So when you have a positive term outside the parentheses, you don't have to worry about it because all the terms which are inside the parentheses will stay the same. I mean, their signs will stay the same. But if you have a negative term or negative number outside the parentheses, then that's a totally different process because you will need to distribute the negative sign as well inside the parentheses. And I would recommend you to watch another video which is showing up at the top right corner in case if you have a negative sign outside the parentheses. So now we got this equation and we have variable on both the sides. So first we need to figure out which variable is smaller and we'll eliminate the smaller variable. Now why I'm trying to eliminate the smaller variable, the reason is I want to avoid getting the negative coefficient with the variable term. That's why I just want to eliminate the smaller variable. So here you can see that 3x is smaller than 4x, so I'll eliminate 3x. To eliminate 3x, we know what we need to do is we just need to subtract 3x on both sides, right? Because when solving the equations, whatever we do to one side, we do that to the other side to balance the equation. Now here, 3x minus 3x will be 0, so that's gone. So I can just cancel this out. And I have negative 2 left on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, 4x take away 3x will be just 1x. And 1x is 1 times x, which is just equal to x. So I can put this x here, and then I have minus 8 left on the right-hand side. Now we need to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we just need to eliminate this 8 from the right-hand side. So I'm just going to add 8 on both sides to get rid of that 8, because remember that we always do the opposite operation to solve the equation. So since this is minus 8, I can add 8 and see negative 8 and positive 8, that will be 0. So this is gone, right? And here negative 2 plus 8 will give me positive 6. And this is equal to, we just have x on the right hand side. And that's all we need to do, right? We just need to get x by itself, or we need to isolate x to find the value of x, right? So I can say that 6 is equal to x, or x is equal to 6. Now, if you need to check whether your answer is correct or not, what you can do is you can plug in this value back into your equation and see if your left-hand side is equal to right-hand side or not. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to plug in x equals 6 in my equation and see if I get the left-hand side and right-hand side equal. So this will be 3. In place of x, I'm going to plug in 6. So this is 3 times 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 times, in place of x, we'll plug in 6 minus 2. So let's simplify this. 3 times, we'll use the order of operations. So first of all, let's multiply this. 3 times 6 gives me 18, and then 18 minus 2. And here we're going to first write 4, and then 6 minus 2 gives me 4. So we got 4 here. Now 18 minus 2 gives me 16, and then 4 times 4 is also 16. And you can see that left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. That means our answer is absolutely correct. The value of x is 6. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video.